Good afternoon! What's good afternoon in Tagalog?
Magandang tanghali.
Tanghali.
So I said tanghali.
Okay, good enough. We're going to the workshop to clean my car.
Just have a look at your front wing now, see what you think, your front bumper. Tell me what you think.
Let's have a look.
You know how bad it was?
This one? Oh, look. Jan fixed my car. Oh, Pipa, don't touch the paint. Yeah, meron kasing gas-gas dyan. Nakikita ba? No, Pipa, don't touch. At pinuntirahan ni Jan. Yeah, it doesn't look like it has a scratch. Did you done the back? Where? This one?
Yeah, that's, I just said that better. I can't do any better with that.
Yeah.
Plastic damage. But no, this was scratched, wasn't it? There. And here somewhere free.
Really?
Yeah. There.
For what?
Oh, when you did that.
From what?
From
Is it?
Can't really see it. That's it.
That's it. My car is sorted. Can I go in here? I need to clean everything. We have our old Henry here. Tingnan nyo. Matagal na yan. Here. I need to get a new Henry. I need to get the new Henry because where's the diaper of that? The old Henry. In the bin? It's totally black. Hindi siya nagsasak ng mga... Don't give me that. Give me that. No, I don't need that. I want my Henry. I want my Henry honeybee. Be careful, oi. Right, we'll try again using this Henry.
But you take the bag.
I need to take the bag. This bag is from my car. Yan. May mga bits and bobs diyan. Come here. Oh! Henry. I forgot Henry. Honey, take Henry. Thank you.
Hey?
I said, take Henry with you. I forgot about him.
That's Scooby Doo's. Going there for a while. There you go.
For our tea tonight, we'll have pasta, bolognese pasta. Nagpapakulo ako ng tubig. New Year's na sa Pilipinas. I try to contact my family but they're not online. Wala sigurong signal pa. Normally talaga, every special occasion, they are always online, but for some reason they're not online. So I'm just hoping that they're fine, they're happy, and they're enjoying the new year there in the Philippines. Yung sauce na gagamitin ko is itong Filipino sweet style. Yan. John like this sauce. Kaya pag pumupunta kami sa Oriental shop, bumibili talaga kami nito. At nag-request siya ng garlic bread. Hindi ako mag-garlic bread kasi I'm still full from my lunch / breakfast na rin kasi nag-breakfast ako, it's quite late breakfast, so it's like 10:45 I think it was. And nag-rice ako at green beans with pork. Ang bango talaga ng amoy nito. May garlic bread lang yung ibibigay ko kay Mr. Merong 6 pa na slices na natira sa ating garlic bread. Brown na yung mincemeat natin at yung pasta natin kumukulo na. Kailangan ko lang i-drain yung mincemeat natin before ko siya lagyan ng ating sauce kasi tingnan niyo, oh. It has a lot of fluids. Bango, ha? So, kung nagtatanong kayo kung ano yung handa namin sa New Year's Eve, wala. Si Jen kasi hindi siya naniniwala sa mga, alam niyo na sa atin, madami tayong mga paniniwala. Maglalagay din ako ng cheese.
Which one's hot? We've got sprinkles.
So, ito na yung tea natin.
What's with that cheese, darling?
Do you want more?
Oh, there's no point in wasting it, darling. Is there? You want more?
A bit.
The
There you
bit
go.
takes all of it in.
Yan. It looks yum.
It looks yummy scrumptious.
Hey, your garlic bread. I'm not having garlic bread, sweetheart.
You're not?
No, I'm full. I am still full.
Okay. Don't leave.
Happy New Year, honeybee! All the best for us. I love you.
Love you too, darling. Come on, let's go.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm very sleeping time.
Happy New Year, mga palangga! Bye! Good night! Good morning! Good morning, mga palangga! John is having his Weetabix. Good morning, John.
Welcome.
Time here is 8:15 in the morning. We'll have breakfast together since it's New Year's Day. I will have my leftover green beans with pork and rice.
Pork and rice, huh?
We woke up late because, as you can see in the vlog, we stayed late. We stayed until midnight. We did not do anything, just watch television and be with each other. That's the most important thing.
Ah, violence. And beating your husband.
But it's more nicer when you have food around you, like in the Philippines. Oh, I really missed it.
Well, you could have had food.
Well, my husband is so sleepy to eat.
Oh, they want to eat, don't they?
Yeah.
I don't want to get fat.
If I prepare some food and then you are there very sleepy, I would not enjoy it much because
You might have woke me up.
I'm the one who only eating. Water before eating. Nilagyan ko siya ng apple cider vinegar. Nilagay ko siya dito kasi para ma-measure ko yung tubig. So, yung tubig na iniinom ko in the morning, I am aiming 200 ml. Amoy suka siya. John is finished with his breakfast. Yeah, I'm just starting with my breakfast. So, kain lang ako ng breakfast. Then, later, get ready. Or just watching television. May pasok ako mga palangga. So, ito yung New Year's Day ko. Kailangan natin magtrabaho kasi yung sweldo last month ubos. Yun talaga. Nako. Yung family ko, until now, I haven't heard from them. I don't know what happened talaga. Nag-aalala na ako kasi since last night, hindi ko talaga sila narinig. I tried to ring, pero ewan ko, walang sumasagot. Tinawagan ko sila through phone, pero wala. At hindi naman sila online. Let's see na lang tomorrow kung mag-online sila. Ano nga ba yung dadalhin ko sa trabaho? 1:45 na dito. My time in is 2:30. But I like to be early so that I will be settled. Hala, kailangan na natin itong kainin. Kasi, sobrang soft na niya. Dala din tayo ng banana. Pa-healthy tayo ngayon. We'll try. Kailangan na natin mag-diet ulit kasi yun lang nga. Tumataba na ako. Napapansin nyo siguro ba na tumataba na ako ulit? Oh no, this is full of sugar. No, I'm not having that. Banana na lang later. But I know banana is full of sugar as well. But never mind. Hello, girls. No, 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 no jumping. No jumping. Mapaalam muna tayo kay Mr. He's doing something in the Range Rover. Hello! Hello, Mr. Oh, no radio. No radio. Normally you work with radio on. Oh, what you have done to yourself again.
I found it on there and just took the skin off it. How'd you know?
I'm going. I'm going. I'll see you later, sweetheart. I locked the door. Yeah, I have locked the door. Oh no, that's your New Year's day. Right, okay, I'm going.
Right, Scooby.
Bye, see you later, bears. Okay.
Hi, Mummy.
Bye.
Many hours later.
Hello. I'm home.
Go on, little bear. Freezing.
No, it's not freezing.
Oh, it's not freezing.
Ay. So, nasa bahay na ako. Kakain muna ako kasi gutom ako. Kanina kasi sa trabaho, I am feeling full. Kaya ayun, kumain na ako ng 1 slice of sandwich, 1 banana, and 1 clementine. And at that time, I'm still fine. I'm still full. And now, I am hungry. So, kakainin ko lang yung leftover natin na pasta. Ito. Meron tayong leftover. Yan. Three minutes. There you go. It's looking good. So at the moment, John is watching 90 Days Fiancé. And ito na mga palangga, kakain muna ako. And ito na yung vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. Maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang suporta. Thank you talaga. So I'll see you in my next vlog and bye! Mwah! Mwah!